Hey, hi everyone. Let us see the second demo. It is select statement, internal table, means inline declaration with internal table and work area. How to declare internal table and work area. See, before this, let me explain you. Let me write a small piece of code, old syntax, and the same syntax I will write in the new code. Then we will see debugging, and we will see the debugging and we will analyze the code. Okay, see, let me write SC38 the test old code with work area and internal tables, work area and internal tables, old syntax with work area and internal table, executable program, save, local object. See, in my previous syntaxes, see, let me write it here, old syntax for internal table and work area. Okay, see, previously what we used to do, I want to fetch data from KNA1 table. I want to fetch data from KNA1 table. For that, I will be declaring my own structure. For that structure, I will be creating an internal table and a work area, and I will write a select statement, I will write a loop statement, and I will print. See, the steps involved is, what are the steps we involved in our old logic is, first declare structure, some ty structure. After that, second step, in the second step what we do, create or declare work area and internal tables. In the third step, write or fetch select statement. After that, loop internal table into work area and print with the help of write statement. These are some steps we involve in our old syntaxes. Let me write it here. See, types begin of ty str. Okay, see, first one is Kunnar. Let me take some fields from KNA1 table. I'll say name1, type name1. Next one is city. I'll say ORT01 from ORT01. PSTLZ. See, PSTLZ from PSTLZ. These are some fields. I'll take only 4 fields. You can take even more. Okay. End of ty str. This is my step 1. As per our declaration, this is my step 1. I used to declare my structure. This is called structure. For this structure, what I am going to do is, I am going to declare my work area type ty str, my internal table type ty str, table of ty str underscore str. This is my second step. This is my step 2. Now coming to my step 3, let me fetch data. Select step 3, select statement step 3. In the step 3, what we do, select Kunnar name1 ORT01 PSTLZ from KNA1 into table internal table. Or if you have any select options, we can write a where condition. Here you can write where condition and any and conditions. All these things we can write. Okay, now currently I am not writing all this. Just I am fetching data from KNA1 table into my internal table. See, whatever the sequence we are fetching, we are writing. Our internal table is in the same sequence. We have to fetch data from my KNA1 table. Now step 4. In the step 4, what we do? See, loop at IT into work area, end loop. Now write work area Kunnar, comma, work area name 1, comma, work area ORT01, comma, work area PSTLZ. See, clear work area. Save, check, no syntactical errors, activate. See, activated. Let me pretty printer, always use pretty printer. Okay, execute. See, I am getting data like this. Now the same code, if I write this code, see, for example, your manager will say, hey, I don't want this select statement. Please comment this select statement. I don't want. See, instead of writing this select statement, no, instead of fetching data from this table, I want to fetch data from some other table. He will be giving you some G table. For example, if your requirement comes like this, tomorrow he'll say, hey Satish, please comment this select statement. Instead of writing this select statement, please fetch data from some ABC table. Then what you will do, simply you will just comment this code. That's it. You will just comment this code. Okay, then what will happen? Okay, wait, this ABC. Okay, you will just comment that code. Then what will happen? Nothing. See, system is system is accepting me to activate my code. Then what will happen? See, for this KNA1 table, my declaration of my structure, my internal table, my work area, all we have not commented. Still my loop statement, everything is there. See, what system has to do every time, even this code, this is unwanted code. When you have commented this code, then automatically you have to comment this code also. Okay, what we are doing, we are just commenting this. Okay, but system is still allotting memory. Whenever this program is executed, system, what it will do, it will create a structure. For this structure, system is creating a work area and system is creating an internal table. Still, which is not required in our program, but system is doing this. And this loop also. These are unnecessary things. So what we are doing is, instead of writing, see, this is my old code. Instead of doing this, now let us see the old code. Now let us see the new code here. SC38 test new code, select inline declaration. Okay, click on this, select inline, activate, just activate. Now execute, save. Now save. See, no need to, in the select statement, in the new code, no need to write all these steps. We have only one step. See here, select Kunnar name 1 ORT01 PSTLZ from KNA1. Up to here it's fine. Now into table my internal table. That's it. And you can write where conditions also. See, where conditions. If you want, you can write where conditions. Okay. Now let me try to activate this. Now what system is saying? Internal table is unknown. See, this is an inline declaration. As per our last example, what I told, we have to give data here. See, data here. Okay, let me give the data. Now you see, still it's okay. As per our previous example, if you give data, what system will do? System is creating some memory. But here you see, system is expecting some other thing. What is this one? See, whenever I am writing a select statement, inside the select statement, if you are writing any inline declaration, any inline declaration, you have to give at the rate. You have to give at the rate. Why we have to give at the rate is, to differentiate, to differentiate that this KNA1 and this internal table both are different. This is a database table, this is my internal table, this is my internal table. To differentiate, because when it goes to application server, you will be having two tables. Okay, when the two tables has the same name, system will get confused. So what we have to do is, we have to give an @ symbol, so the system will think, okay, this is a database table, this is a internal table, this is a database table, this is a internal table. System will identify like that. Now you can say this KNA1 table and internal table both are two different names, but still why system will get confused? No, see, I can give my own name KNA1 also. See, KNA1 also I can give. See, I can give the same name. System will not throw any error. See, let me activate. System will not throw any error. See, 1 second. I want to give comma. Whenever I am giving this other right now, you have to give comma here. You have to give comma here. Just comma. See, now system will not give any error. See, system will not give any error, because see, now in this case, how system knows this is a database table and this is a internal table? How system knows? Based on this @ rate. Based on this @ rate, we have to give to identify it's an internal table, we have to give @ rate. This @ rate we will give only in the select statements. Only in the select statements. Please remember, only in the select statements we have to give. Whenever you are writing this @ rate symbol, all the field names has to be comma, comma, comma. Last field not required. Last field name it's not required. All the field names has to be comma. Okay. Now let me go back to my internal table. Now loop at IT. See, IT memory already created. IT memory is already created. Now IT into work area. See, work area is also not declared. In that case, what is the new syntax? Data. Write data. Full stop. End loop. Write work area. Work area name 1. Work area ORT01. Work area PSTLZ. Full stop. Clear work area. That's it. Activate. See, execute. See, everything. Now my question is, how system knows? See, based on these fields, system will create an internal table. System will create a based on these fields, and based on this internal table, system will understand, okay, he wants one work area. See, this is called inline declaration of internal table and work area. Inline declaration of internal table and work area. See, like this. Let me activate. See, like this. Here one more important point I want to highlight. Now you can ask me, hey, in the old syntax, instead of this name 1, I can give my own name, my own custom name. See, here instead of ORT01, I can change it to, let me write it here. Instead of writing ORT01, I can write city. See, I can write city. It's my own name. The same name I will give here also. Let me comment this. The same name I will give my own city like this, city. Let me activate. See, with the city I am getting this output. But here also, in the new syntax also, I don't want ORT01. I want my own name. In that case, we have alias concept. Alias as city. You just give city as city. Instead of here, give city. This is called alias concept, guys. Means this name is represented by city. Now ORT01 is unknown. Now ORT01 is unknown, means this name is replaced with this name. This name can be any name. This name has to be your field name, but instead of writing this name, I am writing alias name. See, PSTLZ is there now. I can write as POSTL, postal, postal. Now this PSTLZ will be unknown. This PSTLZ is unknown in the internal table. So instead of PSTLZ, you have to change it to postal code. See, postal code. Activate. See, activate. Always use pretty printer. Execute. See, this is my logic. Hope the concept is clear. Let me show you in the debugging, guys. Let me put a breakpoint. Execute. See, my internal table will be like this. Double click here. See, my internal table. Kunnar, name one, city. See, city and postal. I told you now, I have given alias name, alias city, and this one. See, my work area will be also same like that. See, names is here, this one, postal code. Okay, because based on these fields, my internal table will get created. Based on my internal table, my work area will get created. See, let me click on F5. See, my data is getting filled. And with this loop, my work area will get filled. This one you already know it, how the loop works. Okay, yeah, thanks guys. Let's see the next demo.